Did you catch something?
Maybe. I think.
Is this the first fish of the day? No way. Today, we are sneaking away from the farm for a day of fun at Dugan Lake. Come along with us for some fishing and a campfire cookout. What do you guys think? Is this our spot?
Yeah. And it goes down to water.
Yeah, there's a little trail that goes down there.
I like that.
Okay, Jerry, you want to go check out the water while this noisy pump runs? Okay. This is a gorgeous spot. We've been to Dugan Lake a couple of times, but not for many years, and we've never been down to the campsite area here. It's so nice. Each spot is super secluded and private with lots of trees, and we have our own little private beach access here, which is fantastic. It's gorgeous, hey?
Yeah.
Can't wait to go fishing.
SneakAway area.
We've got our own little SneakAway area.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, perfect. Jared, do you see the loon out there? We could hear him calling earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, he just went right under. Should we go see how the paddleboard's doing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. And it looks like there's a gorgeous little trail here that goes all the way along. I'm not sure if it just goes past all the campsites or what, but I'm gonna have to check this out later. I love a good walking trail. Get the canoe next.
Yeah. Let's go. Are we going fishing now, Mike?
We're just getting ready. Yeah, very
Yeah.
soon. As soon as we're ready. Whoa! It's very pretty. Is it a whiskey jack? I was gonna say that. I thought they were smaller. The last time I remember seeing a whiskey jack is at the top of Whistler Mountain. They used to come out at the little restaurants when we went skiing. It's a very angry little squirrel. What are you so mad about, huh? Up and down every tree in the site, yelling at us.
I can't really move.
Okay, you guys ready?
Are you coming the paddleboard?
Yep, I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
Have fun fishing, good luck. Who's gonna catch the biggest one?
Me. Probably Daddy.
On there, all the way hard, push, yeah, now hold that, go behind your head, and as you throw it, you're gonna let go of the button, just the button. Perfect, what a cast.
Now let's pull in. Now let's pull in some weight.
Look at all the damselflies out here. Those little tiny ones are called damselflies, Jer.
The tiny ones?
those little tiny
Yeah,
blue
but
ones.
I see like dragonflies and damselflies.
Absolutely gorgeous day here at the lake. Kind of just a light cloud cover, which is actually nice because then it's not 1,000 degrees. And there is not another boat on the lake. It's just us. It's so quiet here. It's nuts. There's a few other people in campsites, but we just saw like empty trailers, no people, 1 or 2 groups, but they're just hanging out on the shore. So we have all of Dugan Lake to ourselves today on this lovely Saturday afternoon in July.
Dad, I see one of your weights. I can see one of your weights, Dad. It's too close.
Really far. That's where it went. That's why you couldn't see it.
That's an awesome cast.
Yeah.
Reel the slack in, and then do a pull. So as I move back and reel the slack in, that hook's going like this in the water. It's pulling along while I pull back, it's swimming up, and then when I reel in and move back to the slack, it drops down, and then it zag its way towards us, so it looks like an injured minnow or something.
Whoa, look at how far that one went.
That was great, kiddo.
Okay guys, I'm gonna head back over to the campsite now and start the fire so we can have some lunch because I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
I'm starving, let's do it.
Okay, you guys can keep fishing. I'll see you soon.
Okay. It was just running like out. It was just running.
Holy, this has been one heck of a paddle across the lake. The wind's picked up and it has taken like everything I have to get back here, but I can finally see the little ribbons that mark our entry back to our camp. So thank goodness I made it, and I'm more hungry now than I was before. The mosquitoes are horrendous here. They weren't so bad out on the lake, but now that we're back, I think I need my 2nd dose of bug spray already, which is crazy. Oh, see them flying around my face? Well, it took me so long to paddle back across the lake. I failed at my task. All I did was get my shoes and socks on and read my bug spray, and I can already hear these guys coming back. So I'm gonna go help them get out of the canoe, and then I guess they can help me start a fire and cook some lunch. How'd you guys do? You didn't catch anything? Well, you'll have to try again after lunch. This is why being short's a problem. Look at all the berries on this bush here.
Easy. That was fun fishing.
Good.
Now that we're back, we can finally have one. I'm starving.
I know, I failed. I didn't get the fire started yet. Sorry.
Mommy. They're following me, Daddy.
Is she going right back out? Or you just mean like ready for later?
No, I think she wanted to fish with a float just off the shore here.
Oh, cool.
Jared wants to too.
Okay. For lunch today, we're gonna have campfire pizzas, which is like one of my favorite things. And this is a go-to when we go camping. We can't go camping because we have puppies at home, so we have to get home to look after those. But we're still gonna enjoy the day and pretend we're camping. So let's get set up for some lunch. So to make these, we use these cute little cookers over the fire. I'm gonna get them warming up now. Okay, I've got all of the ingredients laid out now for our little pizzas, and I'm gonna start assembling them for everybody so we can get them cooking. Normally I'd let the kids do this themselves, but they're having so much fun fishing down at the lake. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it for them so they can come up and eat and get back to the fun. All right, so I'm gonna do the first one here for Jer. He says he doesn't want very much cheese today, so I'm gonna do just a little bit of sauce, slices of pepperoni, pineapple, and olives, a little bit of cheese, so it'll stick together. Okay, and that one can go in the fire in a minute. Oh, it looks perfect, Jer.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks perfect. Good cooking.
Looks like a pizza. Pizza, because it's not at a big point. Not quite.
Pretty close. I like mine a little more toasty than that.
Yummy.
Right amount of cheese.
Too much cheese.
I did the tiniest little sprinkle. You need a little bit for glue.
Looks perfect.
Oh, look at that. Pretty good.
Oh.
I know, they're so yummy.
Mm-hmm. Well, that looks like a perfect bite.
Done.
Good job, Jer. How big of a fish are you gonna catch with that?
Hope a rainbow trout.
A rainbow trout? Yeah, do it. Oh, mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes are the worst.
Good one.
I always cast it like that.
Oh, you're nice and modest about it too.
You learned from the best. Right, Jay?
Yes. Fishing's fun.
Whoops. I don't think that's where you were aiming.
Yeah. Just trying to reel back.
It happens.
Just trying to reel back.
That's okay. That's my specialty, catching trees.
I've caught more trees than fish.
Keep wiggling, you'll get it.
I'm not gonna
Crazy driver.
What was it? Got everything.
Good luck. What are you gonna do if you catch one?
Scream I caught one.
Oh,
And hope Daddy can paddle fast enough to come and help you?
Yeah.
You're on your way to catch one out there.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
What a gorgeous day out on the lake.
Gonna-
We've come out for another little fish.
after I got hooked
Yeah.
in the finger.
Jared got hooked in the finger, but that's part of fishing and he'll survive, and now he's fishing again, so that's what matters.
I can't use my finger to reel in or else I'll start singing.
Yeah. But you got a Band-Aid, so you're all better, right?
Yeah.
Let's see your Band-Aid. Oh, perfect. All good. It's like magic.
Yeah, Band-Aids are magical.
Looks like kelp under the water. These lake plants, whatever they are. Pretty cool. I bet that's where the fish like to hide. Nice one. Did you catch something?
Maybe. I think.
Is this the first fish of the day? No way.
Is this?
Where's your line? Keep reeling. I hope you don't lose it.
Oh, just some seeds.
Oh man, I was so excited.
How was the first fish of the day? Let's clean off our fishing rod.
Yeah, clean it off again.
Yeah, look at the clouds and the reflection of the water. So pretty.
Well, we didn't manage to catch a fish, but the lake was beautiful and we had such a fun day. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss the next SneakAway adventure.